What brought Nordic markets to such a success? Large caps, small caps, medium caps, or the trending business models that are being listed right now?
So I think the big success with the Nordic model is that we are really an SME model. So that meaning that we are strong in supporting small to medium-sized companies to leverage the IPO as an alternative to raise capital. So many companies today are dependent on alternative sources of financing. It's important that the IPO is a part of the puzzle of the overall ecosystem. This is the strength of the equity market in the Nordics. So from that perspective, we have such a strong equity culture, so every household understands the importance or the opportunity of equity. So from that perspective, this is really what you have: an underlying retail market, you have institutions, you have advisors that are willing to work with smaller companies. And in addition to that, investors are looking for growth. They're looking for new technologies to invest in. And one way of being able to access these companies is through an IPO.
The Nordic countries are among the leaders and drivers of circular economy.
Yeah.
What can you say about circular business models on Nasdaq? How are they performing?
Yeah. So one of the key sectors, well, we have two different dimensions of circular economy. We have our existing companies that are listed, that essentially we have the pulp and paper industry, we have and many other coming from sectors that have always been exposed to basically clean tech environments. But what we're in particular seeing now is new companies coming to market with clean tech technology. Clean tech technology that is basically aiming to support existing businesses to become much more circular in terms of their business models. And I think this is a key aspect. So in fact, if you look at the sectors that are coming to market, clean tech is a significant portion of that. I think we've had roughly 10 to 12 companies in that sector come to market with technology or with existing business models that are being applied not only locally but globally. And I think the interest from the investor is so strong right now. So from that perspective, it's such an ideal environment for them to come to market, because in addition to getting capital, they also get visibility and credibility, but they also get access to equity to not only grow organically, but through acquisitions, etc. So yes, it is an important part of our growth, and we see a large interest not only from investors, but also for companies to come to market.